Hello everybody. Yeah, that's my Hyundai Ioniq running in the garage. Gotta love the lack of CO2 pollution, right? Carbon monoxide, I should say. Anyway, today I'm going to do something it was just bugging me because I got no remote door opener in this thing. So I was going like, how can I solve that? How can rather than the little clip-on? I don't like those little clip-ons. So I started thinking to myself, hey, you know what? Android Auto. So this is what I did. I bought this little package here from China. It's a Eachen Wi-Fi smart garage door opener. And you can see there it works with the phone, with an app. That's the little box, and these are two magnetic sensors, and I'll show you that in a second. And there's my phone right there because I'll show you how that actually runs. So the garage door is right there, and you know it's got the spring and everything. And if you follow it, here's the garage door motor, and this garage door motor is plugged in. So first I'll show you exactly how a garage door actually works. If you look at it this way, you'll see right there, let me get my finger in there, right there on the left two terminals are two wires that can be shorted. When you actually short those two wires, the door opens or closes. It's a toggle. And if you follow this little wire here, this little wire that goes up on the ceiling comes down here, follows along the wall, and comes to this box right here. That's your manual switch. Press the button, it opens the garage door. Alright? Press the button again and it'll stop. So that interrupts. See? Garage door is only about halfway open. And then hit the switch again and it closes. Alright? So far so good. And it's got these little optical sensors right there, and there's another one over there at the other end right over there. So if you trip it, it'll stop. So all those functions are still maintained. But now let's add a little bit of smart to this. This is a rather simplistic, basic model linear garage door opener. So what I did is I added this new Eachen box. It's that little black box right there. And it's got two wires that short the two terminals that I showed you before. And that's plugged in over here. That's just a standard USB cable with a 5-volt plug going there. And then there's another wire going all along here, this black one, and it goes right there to the garage door, and there, that's where the magnetic sensor is right there. Now, the wires, I apologize, I need cleaning, see like they're dangling there, so I need to clean up this little wiring installation, and I need to go out for that. So, first of all, I'll show you how it works, and then I'll show you how it works inside the Ioniq. So, one of the things that it comes with is an app. You basically download this app called Eaoniq. There it is. The Eaoniq is right here, and you click this button, and it opens the garage door. See, it says on. Right? Now, if I click the button again, so yeah, I stop the garage halfway. Click the button again, and now it's going to close. Now watch the display change when the door reaches the bottom. See how it says off. So as far as the app is concerned, off means closed, on means open. So you got to remember that. So to simplify my life a little bit, I started using Google Assistant. So in the Google Assistant right here, you go there, right here, to explore. You go settings, and then you go assistant, and I have routines here, and I program some routines. Close the garage door. Is the garage door open? Open the garage door. Right? So what I can now do next, we'll see that in a second, is I will use the Google Assistant to actually open the garage door. So watch this. Let me just show that screen right there so it doesn't... There we go. Okay, Google. Open the garage door. There's an error. Well, that demo kind of failed. Let's try this again. Okay, Google. All right, sorry. Open the garage door. There it goes. Okay? So now it opens, and I told it to shut the volume off, count to 15, and then it's going to check the state of the garage door. Oh, it's playing inside the car. It's Bluetooth into the car right now, so we can't hear it actually talk. But that's okay. Let's try it again. So now I can say, "Okay, Google, close the garage door." And there it goes again. There it goes. That's a little sensor right there, that little black thing right there. And it's going to go, and it's going to end up right next to that one. And then Google says, "Okay, count to 15 and check the status of the garage door." And it says off. Off meaning close. Now, I gotta go shopping. So I gotta go and figure this thing out. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna use the Ioniq to do this. Now, in the Ioniq, there's one thing of note with the Android Auto in the Ioniq. I don't know if it's like this in all the cars, but it's like this in mine. Or it's like this in the Ioniq. Pretty sure every Ioniq is like this, but other brands with Android Auto might not have the problem. And that is, it doesn't do routines. So it'll just do like switches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in my phone here. Give me a second here. I'll just put you guys there for a second. And I'll plug in my phone. There we go. Alright. Now the phone is plugged in. Car mode activated and so on, and Android Auto. So let's go to Android Auto right here. Alright, now what we're going to do next is we're going to use this feature right here. Garage door on.
Okay, turning on the garage door.
And that's it. It's as simple as that.